4 natural recipes for healthy skin. The majority of the time, our faces are exposed to impurities and toxins. Without us realizing, these gradually cause damage and accelerating the aging process. However, there's a wide range of products on the market dedicated to protecting and conserving healthy skin. In addition, there also are countless useful products for cleansing and caring for the skin at home. And the best thing is that they're 100% natural. In this article, we're going to share some home recipes that are cheap and very simple to prepare. Try them out. Honey. This wonderful natural ingredient has been one of the most commonly used products to hydrate the skin and eliminate impurities for a long time. Thanks to its antibacterial properties as well as its natural enzymes, honey is effective for caring for burns, fighting acne, cleansing the pores and removing dead skin. How to use it? Wash your hands with plenty of soap and water. Take a little honey with your fingers and apply a thin layer onto your face. Leave it to act for 20 minutes and rinse with tepid water until it's completely gone. By regularly applying this simple mask that also acts as an exfoliant, you will get renewed, nourished and hydrated skin. 2. Cucumber. Cucumber has a great range of properties that are good for hydrating, protecting and repairing the skin. It's an excellent antioxidant that contributes to keeping the skin hydrated, fighting free radicals, and thus preventing premature aging. It is also rich in vitamins A, C and E, which together with its natural oils and minerals, promote the production of collagen and elastin. How to make use of cucumber in your beauty routine. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of honey, 50 grams, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 16 grams. Procedure. Cut the cucumber into cubes and put it in the blender together with the other ingredients. Blend it for a few minutes until you have a uniform product. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it to act for 20 minutes. Remove with plenty of water. Equally, to refresh and hydrate the skin, you can cover your whole face with cucumber slices. This also helps to eliminate dark circles and bags under the eyes. 3. Linseed. Linseed contains high levels of omega-3, which is important for reducing the effects of time on your skin. It contributes to regenerating the tissues. Thus, it's useful for getting rid of wrinkles and other imperfections that appear on the face. Linseed is also a powerful antioxidant, which helps to protect the skin from the sun's rays and fight free radicals. How to make use of linseed in your beauty routine. Ingredients: 1 1 tablespoon of linseed, 15 grams. 1/3 cup of water, 83 milliliters. Preparation. In the morning, boil the water and then put it in a container. Add the linseed and stir for a few minutes. Cover it with a cloth and leave it all day. In the evening, pour the mixture through a strainer. Wash your face and neck well and then, with the help of cotton wool, spread the linseed over your skin. Wait for the mask to dry and repeat the procedure 4 times to achieve a thick layer. Leave it to act for 20 minutes and remove with plenty of water. Pour palm olive oil. Nowadays, olive oil is used for many things, including eliminating impurities and softening the skin. In small doses, it's effective as a natural makeup remover. If what you want is to give your skin a deep cleanse, don't hesitate to use this oil. How to make use of olive oil in your beauty routine. Put a few drops of olive oil on a cotton ball. Spread it on your skin from your forehead down to your neck, from top down. If your skin is very dry, you can leave the olive oil to act all night. Otherwise, rinse it off afterwards with abundant cold water. This way, you will remove all your makeup and toxins that accumulate on your skin. Another use for olive oil is to rejuvenate and remove dark patches from the skin. To get the best out of these benefits, simply add a few drops to the face cream you use daily. Over a few days, its nutrients and properties will start to make your skin more beautiful.